I swear, I feel like this weather's been following us this whole time. Rain, 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 go away. So you guys know us, and we actually forgot to grab our magnet for New Mexico. So we're stopping here on Route 66 here at Klein's Corners. It's been here in business since 1934, and it's open 24 hours. So if you guys, it's just another stopping point that you guys can check out if you want. But I'm gonna go try and find a magnet. Say bye, cowboys.
Say bye.
Say bye, cowboys. Playing maracas. We're gonna play some music on the road. In other news, is pretty cool. There's a guy in there with an Evo sweater. It's a pretty cool one. And then recognized my shirt. And he's asking where to buy it. So if you guys are interested, I'll put down my wife's Etsy shop down below where you can find this and this in the form of a sticker. But bye, Klein's Corner. Gonna hit the road again. So another thing about this road trip is you learn a lot of stuff along the way. So I just realized that Billy the Kid, he was a famous outlaw out here in the West. He actually died. He's buried out here at Fort Sumter, I believe it was. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to go visit and everything, but it is out here and we're learning as we go as well. But he was charged with like 8 murders back in the days, and that's back in like 1800s. And there's like one picture of him that's notorious, and his story's been based on like 50+ movies. So pretty cool. Apparently he is buried out here. Well, like I said, we won't be able to stop because we're on a time crunch to get to Texas. But just know he is out here. So still in New Mexico, but about 20 minutes outside of Texas. And as you guys can tell, it's starting to get green out here. So if anybody wants to be my new co-pilot, please do that, because she sits there and annoyingly.
Remember yesterday when you were pushing my seat back, putting my feet on the dashboard, and other things I will not name on camera? And I said karma's a bee? Just letting you know. Just saying, open spot for a new co-pilot, because I'm about to kick her out the car. It's my car, bro. Remember hashtag not my car? Remember that? When you were spilling chili in my car yesterday? It said hashtag not my car.
I mean, it's not my car, so.
So I'm about to keep
Alright, on our way to one of the more famous side road attractions, and that is Cadillac Ranch. Let's go see some cars in the dirt.
There it is.
And it looks like it recently rained out here, so might be a little muddy, but we're still gonna do it because we're only coming down this way once. I swear we look like hoarders every time we have to come back here and get little man out. Let's go see some cars. Alright, just beyond the car, in this little pasture, there's the cars right out there lined up. So like I said, it did look like it recently rained. Everybody's muddy shoes. Option A, get feet wet going that way, or sneak through this barbed wire. Barbed wire it is. Ooh. Yeah. Say, come on. Stick to the dry side. You know, the funny thing is, if these were Disney princesses or some kind of Disney characters in the dirt, she'd be running. Kind of a walk. I thought it was gonna be closer to the road, but at the same time, it's not bad, I guess. Anyways, here it is, Cadillac Ranch. It's right off the Route 66 here in Texas, right outside of Amarillo. And like I said, it is a little rainy day, so, but there they are, lined up in a row. All the cars. Not sure the make or model of them, but they are definitely graffitied out. And here's the back side of it. You can tell, look at all the remnants of paint cans out here. Everybody adding their own little touch on these cars. What a work of art. Thank you for whoever left the paint out here. They want some more pictures though. All right, say bye, cars.
Bye, car.
Say bye, cars.
Bye, cars.
Say bye. All right,
Yeah, bye,
see y'all later. What's funny is the rained out muddy adds to the ambiance of everything. Looks like they're all sinking. Don't slip because we all know you're clumsy. Alright, well there was your live view of Cadillac Ranch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And smash that thumbs up button, it does a lot for us. And we'll see you guys in the next adventure. Once again, never live your life without, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And just a quick fact since we're out here, those were actually all put down there, 10 Cadillacs down there, nose first back in 1974 as a form of art. Now open to the public 24/7. So come on by Amarillo, Texas and see it for yourself.